Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I want to show you how to make your account private on X. So let's go to X application on my device, and you want to tap your profile picture in the top left corner of your screen. Now in this menu, let's scroll down to settings and privacy. As you can see, your settings are divided into several sections. Let's go to privacy and safety section specifically. Now from here, go to a section that's called audience and tagging, and at the very top of your page you should see this option that says protect your posts. That's basically a feature that's responsible for making your account private. So I have already made my account private, and additionally, when you enable protect your posts feature, anyone who follows you already, so basically your followers, your current followers, will still be able to see your posts, but any new people who want to follow you on X, they will have to send you follower request that you must manually approve or decline. So if you tap your profile picture in the top left, in this menu you can see different sections. You want to go to follower requests section. Here you will see different follower requests, and from here you can manage them. You can accept them or decline. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.